Setting up WorldPay requires careful planning and execution to ensure a seamless payment process for your customers. To begin, create a WorldPay account and obtain your merchant ID, which is a unique identifier for your business. Next, choose the payment methods you want to offer, such as credit cards, debit cards, or online banking. Configure these payment methods according to your business needs, considering factors like transaction fees and payment processing times. It is essential to set up a secure payment gateway, which encrypts sensitive customer information to prevent fraud and data breaches. WorldPay provides a range of security features, including tokenization and 3D Secure, to protect your customers' data. To simplify the payment process, integrate WorldPay with your e-commerce platform or website using APIs or plugins. This integration enables you to manage payments, track transactions, and receive notifications in real time. When setting up WorldPay, consider implementing best practices like recurring payments, which allow customers to make repeat payments without having to re-enter their payment details. You should also set up payment notifications to inform customers about the status of their transactions. Additionally, configure your account to handle refunds, cancellations, and chargebacks efficiently. This includes setting up a clear refund policy and responding promptly to customer inquiries. To ensure compliance with industry regulations, such as the Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard, regularly update your security settings and monitor your account activity. This helps prevent fraudulent transactions and maintains the trust of your customers. Finally, test your WorldPay setup thoroughly to ensure that payments are processed correctly and that your customers have a smooth payment experience. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a secure and efficient payment process that supports the growth of your business.